Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you a few things that I have created a while ago and I just forgot to share with you. So I'm going to show you what I did and then of course show you the items that I used. So for this project, and by the way, I'm all these things I made because it all started with me wanting to make some decor for the house. So this is the first one that I made, and I used these beads here from Hobby Lobby. I got them when they were half off, and then I used this twine right here. This is also from Hobby Lobby. So I used that, and then the first thing that I made, and I made this like last month, but I totally forgot to show you guys because I put it out in my house for decoration. So I made this pretty bead garland, and I made the tassels as well using the twine. So look at how gorgeous. I love, when I saw these beads, I had to have them because I love the colors of them. There's different colors and they matched my house perfect. So I put this in a Ray Dunn piece that I have in my kitchen. So I have it hanging like this with the tassel and the end of the garland hanging out. So I made that, and then I also made, so when Hobby Lobby first came out with their Christmas stuff, and I'm talking literally like I walked in the store and they were putting everything out, I grabbed whatever I could because I just knew that they were going to go fast, and Lord knows, you know, when they're going to bring it back. So this here was an ornament. So I don't know why I got one, because one of my friends were looking for one and they had a hard time looking for it. So it's an ornament, and it just comes with this piece and this piece here. So what I did, and it's like a bottle cap and I love it. What I did was I used these beads, also are from Hobby Lobby. This was like in the kids section where the beads are. So I got this and I used it on the ends of this garland. And then I also used these beads here, also from Hobby Lobby. So everything basically is from Hobby Lobby, from the twine to the beads to the ornaments. So what I did was I used this bead here, and then I used all of the same beads throughout. And then at the end, I used the same bead here at the beginning, and then I just tied a tassel. So I have this really gorgeous farmhouse tassel. So I made that with that ornament. And then also, I found this one. This was an ornament in itself. And then this right here, I used this cute little bow. You know, we can make bows, but this one is already made. And this was also from Hobby Lobby. So all I did was I attached this and made a bead garland. And this one is different. It doesn't have like two ends. It looks like a necklace basically. But I used these beads here, the same beads that I used on the last one. And this one looks like a big necklace or a bracelet. But what you can do is, say you have your, let's see, say you have like let's just say a wine bottle or something. Or on your decoration that you have at home, you can just place it like this, and then it could just hang like this. If you know what I'm saying. So I made this, and this also is some decoration for my house, and they have other words as well, and then they have ones that are in black. So got this from Hobby Lobby as well. And then this one, I love this one. So I purchased this right here, just this wooden piece that says peace. They also have ones that have different words on it, Christmas sayings or Christmas words. So what I did was I hot glued the beads around the ornament, and then I used some trim from my stash that I already had, and I believe I purchased this from Hobby Lobby as well. It's like a gingham black and white, and then tiny little pom-poms on the edges of it. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. And then I tied a bow, placed it here, and then used this bead here, and that's what it looks like. So I plan on hanging this on you can hang this on a present, use it as decor, use it as a Christmas ornament, but I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. I might add it to a gift. So that's that, and I love it so much. And then the last ones that I made, my plan was I'm giving out wine bottles for Christmas. So these first ones, I used these little ornaments. I went back to find these and they were gone. So if you see them, get them now, you guys. So these are little ornaments in the little section where they have the ornaments for the little trees. I used that, and I used some of this yarn. And this is also from Hobby Lobby. And look at how cute. Oh, wait. Okay. And I got these. I purchased these from Amazon. They're little beads, wooden beads. But what I did was to make the little hole bigger, because they're really tiny holes, is I just used that hand. I forgot what the name of it, but it's like a small little hand drill. And you can make the hole bigger. So I used these beads. Again, these are from Amazon. And what I did was I made these little tassels, you guys. Look at how cute. So I added, so this is the ornament here. I strung it through the wooden bead, and I tied it on the end. And this is just a tassel, simple, easy tassel that I made. And I'm going to tie this around the wine bottle and give to some girlfriends. So I made a few of these here. And then also, I bought this from Hobby Lobby. And these are all sold out as well. I'm telling you, after the first run that I did when they were first coming out with all their Christmas things, I got what I needed. And then I tried to go back to get a few more things, and these were all gone. So that one, I made this little, and for this one, so what I did was I just took off the ornament and did the same thing. I added it to the tassel. So you have this one in this color. And then I also made it with this one here. This is the white, same yarn. And I love this yarn. It's so pretty, soft, and fluffy. With that one, I made this one here. Look at how cute. And I'm also going to add this to my Christmas tree. So I made a few of these. I just wanted a different texture on my tree than metal or gold or bulbs. So I'm going to add this to my Christmas tree, because this year we're having a different theme on the Christmas tree, because our house is a lot different than our old house. So this one matched really good with the tree this year. So I made this one. And then I also did it using this ornament here. Super, super cute. I love it. And I believe that is it, all that I made with the beads and the Christmas ornaments from Hobby Lobby. So I hope everybody is enjoying their day, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.